Historically, as an international community of evaluators, we are very much focused on strengthening the capacities from the supply side of evaluation, meaning the technical capacity of evaluators. And we never really try to strengthen the capacity for demand and use of evaluation, for an enabling environment for evaluation. That's why we came up with this idea of declaring 2015 as the International Year of Evaluation. The entire idea is to create a movement at international, regional, national, even at sub-national level that would bridge the gap between the evaluators, what we call the supply side, and the policy makers, what we call the demand side, those who are supposed to really to demand and use for evaluation. So the International Year of Evaluation will be just an opportunity to bridge this gap, to bring evaluation in the evidence-based policy-making arena and context, to make sure that the evaluation is going to be really relevant to those who are taking decision at policy level and or program level. And that's obviously is very important also for climate change. If those policymakers who are responsible for the environment, for climate, or also those who are not dealing directly with climate, we are dealing with other industries or other area of work, but have obviously an impact on the climate. If they do not see the value of evaluation in taking decisions, then we are in a big problem. So that's the entire idea of the International Year of Evaluation. As you know, in 2015, the Millennium Development Goal will come to an end, and then there will be the new round of International Development Goals, probably called Sustainable Development Goals. And we want to make sure that evaluation will be mainstream in the future Sustainable Development Goals. So that's really why 2015. Now, it's very good that we are starting now, because we want that to be a bottom-up but also a top-down process. We want these two processes to come together. When it comes to the bottom-up process, for example, here at this conference of the National Evaluation Capacities Conference in São Paulo in Brazil, all the participants that are coming from more than 50 countries, they all stand up together and they all committed themselves and they all declare 2015 as the International Year of Evaluation. And we hope that really this will be replicated in different countries and different organizations. UNEC, that is the network of the evaluation offices of the 43 UN agencies, already endorsed the idea of 2015 as the International Year of Evaluation. And actually UNEC is really leading a process that hopefully will come up with having the UN General Assembly declaring, let's say from a top-down perspective, 2015 as the International Year of Evaluation. But to me the most important thing is that this should come from the field. It should really be something where all of us as evaluator communities and beyond the evaluation community really feel engaged, and we will really use this opportunity to reach out to policymakers.